Oh, Samolotesh Delishwai. Happy Saturday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great so far. There's a big COVID surge in California. So everybody hopefully is taking precaution as much as possible. And also, I would like to say that this Sichi election is over. It's ended recently. And as per the preliminary results, Pembasering is leading the pack, and followed by Kedor and Domajarila. So overall, from my perspective, this election was conducted very, very good, smooth, and we really don't have much problem, except some areas in Ladakh. There was some minor, skirmishes there. But overall, we all Tibetans exile did a fantastic job. Kudos. And we still have 3 months to go for the final elections, for the Ngwishi. So I request every Tibetans, to participate. If somebody have not had a chance to vote in the preliminary, and I would urge you to, participate in the final Ngwishi elections. Anyway, so today I will, just on the lighter note, I will sing one of the oldies, very old song, beautiful track called Neelay Gagan Ke Taley. Here we go. Hey, Neelay Gagan Ke Taley, धरती का प्यार पले. हे नीले गगन की तले, धरती का प्यार पले. ऐसी ही जग में आती है सुबह है, ऐसी ही शाम ढले. हे नीले गगन की तले, धरती का प्यार पले. शबनम के मोती फूलों के बिखरे, दोनों की आस पले. नीले गगन के तले, धरती का प्यार पले. बल खाती बेले मस्ती में खेले, पैदों से मिल के गले. नीले गगन की तले, धरती का प्यार पले. नदियाँ का पानी दरिया से मिलके सागर की ओर चले. नीले गगन की तले, धरती का प्यार पले. ऐसी ही जग में आती है सुबह है, ऐसी ही शाम ढले. नीले गगन के तले, धरती का प्यार पले. आ हे नीले गगन के तले, धरती का प्यार पले. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. La 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 la. Thank you. Hope you like it.